How to change themes on Messenger. First thing you have to do is tap on the Messenger app and open it up. Once you open up the app, you just need to make sure that you are logged into your account. So all you have to do is tap on the chat where you want to change the theme. Just tap on it. And once you open up the chat, what you need to do next is tap on the profile icon at the top. And once you land on your chat info, under customization, you will see the themes option. Simply tap on themes. And then here you will be able to see different kind of themes that Messenger has provided us. You can select any one. These are some themes that Messenger have provided, and if you scroll down all the way, you will see different kind of color themes as well. So let me just select a random one from here. So I'm just going to select something like the sky one right here, and then it will show you the preview how it's going to look on your messages. Now once you are done, tap on the select option at the bottom, and now as you can see, the sky theme has been changed on your chat. Now, it will also change the recent emojis right here. So if you send it, the emojis will also be changed. And that's how you change theme on Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.